Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a shadow text or shadow text effect on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to create a shadow text effect on your Canva, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just going to insert a text here. So we just going to insert like this. So we just type as effect or slash shadow or dark like this. Then we just going to select this and just going to make it as capital, so the capital have the so much of text shadow effect. So I just made it as a capital. So now just place on center, just click on the text. Now you will see option on the top called effect, just click this. So here you will see a lot of text effect. In the second portion there will be a shadow, just click this. So here you will see option for offsetting the shadow like this, and also you can change the direction of the shadow from here. So which direction that you want, you can just place the shadow, and also you can just blur the shadow to make it so real. And of course you just have the transparency option to make it so real. So you can just adjust the shadow effect like this, so which will make to look like really the shadow falls on the ground. You can also change the color of the shadow from choosing this color option. You can just change it to green, black, but the shadow real color will be black, so it's so real. So this is how you just create the shadow text effect on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.